morning Year 3 and welcome to the maths lesson for Tuesday the 9th of February. We're going to start off today looking at number bonds to 100, and yesterday you'll remember that we linked our number bonds to 10 to our number bonds to 100. So if I'm going to do this calculation, 100 take away 30, what can you tell me about the number bonds to 10 to help me with this calculation? Okay, let's have a look then. So I've got my Dean's 100 block there, but to be able to take anything away from it, I'm going to have to swap that to 10 individual rods. So there are my 10 rods, and if I take away 30 of those, how many do I have left? Oh, there's 70 left, aren't there? And if we look at the tens frame, we've got 100 there, we've got 10 lots of 10, which is the same as 100. If I take away 30, you can see that I've got 70 left. So if we know that 10 take away 3 is 7, we also can work out that 100 subtract 30 is 70. Because like yesterday, we've made our 10 times bigger to 100. We've made our 3 10 times bigger to 30. And our 7 is 10 times bigger at 70. So we just need to remember those place values, and we can use our number bonds to 10 to help us calculate with larger numbers. So today you've got your 3 challenges. Choose your challenge, pause your video and come back in a moment to see how you did. Great! Okay, now check your answers, see how you got on. So today, for our main part of the maths lesson, we're going to be ordering numbers with up to 3 digits. We were looking at 3-digit numbers yesterday and comparing them, but today we're going to think about putting them in order. So today we need to be able to recognise our 3-digit numbers, and we also need to be able to order our numbers in descending and ascending order. Now those are probably some new words for you, so let's have a look. Ascending order means from smallest to largest, and the way that I always remember that is that ascending starts with an A, and that's the first letter of the alphabet. So that means we have to start at A and go up from there. And here we've got a picture of a man on the escalator going up. Descending order just means largest to smallest, going down. So counting down 4, 3, 2, 1, ascending 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I'd like you to watch this short video now and then come back and I'll explain today's tasks.
In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on ordering numbers. Pause the video here and have a go at these starter questions to help get you ready for the lesson. How did you do? Let's have a look together. Question 1. Circle the smallest number. So the smallest number here is 305. Question 2. This time we need to circle the greatest number, 760. And question 3. Circle the numbers which are greater than 250. So 240, no, that's less than 250. 260 is greater, 300 is greater, and 205 is less than 250. Today, the children have used counters to represent different numbers on their place value grids. They need to order their numbers from smallest to largest. Can you see which number each child has represented? Eva has made 302. Rosie has made 230. And Amir has made 320. Let's start by seeing whose number is the smallest. Remember, we always compare the largest place value first. So let's see how many hundreds each number has. Rosie has 2 hundreds, and the other two each have 3 hundreds. We know that 200 is smaller than 300, so Rosie must have the smallest number. Let's put that one first. These numbers both have 300s, so we need to compare the tens. Eva's doesn't have any tens at all, and Amir's has 2 tens. So Eva's number must be the next smallest, and Amir's is the largest. Now the numbers are in ascending order from smallest to largest. Let's look at another example. This time we need to order the numbers from greatest to smallest. As always, we'll start by comparing the hundreds. I can see that one of the numbers has 5 hundreds, one has no hundreds at all, and two of the numbers have 3 hundreds. Can you see which is the greatest number? That's right, it's 530. It has more hundreds than the others. So let's put that first. And the smallest number? 53. We'll put that last. Now we have two numbers left to order. They both have 300s, so we'll need to compare the tens. Can you see which is the next largest number? That's right, it's 350. 5 tens are more than 3 tens. So the next largest is 335. So now our numbers are in descending order, from greatest to smallest.
Okay, so today for your tasks, they're all quite similar. The task 1 is to put the numbers into order. You have to check carefully whether it's asking for smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Make sure you get them right. Task 2 is again putting some weights in order and putting some heights and lengths in order. And for task 3 today, you're going to need a dice or a 0 to 9 spinner. You can make a simple spinner by drawing a circle, dividing it into 10 segments and putting the numbers on. If you put a pencil in the middle, like you can see on the picture, and a paper clip or a hair grip or something that you can flick around to find you the number. So, let's hope you have some fun doing all of that. Remember, send your work in by 3:30 if you can, and then the lesson for tomorrow will be on our YouTube channel from 5 o'clock today. See you all again tomorrow. Bye.